Welcome back to Ride and Roar, where we take you on a thrilling journey through the world of exotic and classic cars. Today we've got something very special, unveiling one of the most iconic, most revered cars in the world, the Ferrari 250 GTO. The Ferrari 250 GTO, a car that's more than just a mode of transport, it's a piece of automotive history, a testament to the mastery of Italian engineering. The 250 GTO was produced from 1962 to 1964, during which only 36 units were made. Its rarity, combined with its racing pedigree, has turned it into one of the most valuable cars in the world. Take a look at the swooping curves, the aggressive front grille, the elegant vents. Every inch of this car screams speed and grace. And there, sitting proudly on the front, is the Cavallino Rampante, the prancing horse, symbolizing the heart and soul of Ferrari. The interior is just as impressive. The fine stitching on the leather seats, the elegant wooden steering wheel, the chrome detailing on the gear stick. It's a pure and unadulterated driving environment, devoid of any modern distractions. And the heart of this beast, a 3.0-liter V12 engine that delivers a thunderous symphony only a few have had the privilege to experience. Even standing still, this car exudes a sense of speed, but it's on the road where it truly comes alive. The 250 GTO was made for racing, claiming victory in numerous prestigious races. Driving the 250 GTO is like stepping back in time. There's no traction control, no ABS, just the raw power of a V12 engine and a driver's skill. It's not just a car, it's a work of art, a masterpiece of design and engineering, a symbol of Ferrari's illustrious racing history. From its intoxicating sound to its breathtaking design, the Ferrari 250 GTO truly is a legend on four wheels. That's all for today's episode. Thanks for joining us on this journey through automotive history. Stay tuned to Ride and Roar for more thrilling rides, and remember, keep the pedal to the metal.